Hello, good morning. Sobke welcome gure ase achi laga khobor janai de ase. January 19 de NSN ke kango laga party kamba ki do zimo me ke aptakra laga connection de Timabu police kambra aro action accused ke arrest kuri she go ase. Ta laga nam do ele Yehiku SS Deputy Secretary NSN U laga thaki she go ase. Idiadak Timabu police kambra chuijun accused manu ke arrest kuri na ase. Hoilebi action manu ke arrest kurule na pari gana ase. Timabu police kambra 6 arrest kura de 5 jon doile judicial custody de ase goshe holebi action accused doile police laga custody de ase goshe Nagaland Police Canberra Police Constable Recruitment Law laka homoi de Mon District de Trader Proxy Candidate pa laka opor de Konyak Union bra Kushi napa laka janeshe Press release de Union bra sob Konyak youth ke encourage kurigana kushi ki sincere discipline aro committed thakibole laka janeshe Success toile merit based competition bra hobo lake gushe Keyo bra gwasi ki educated youth laga majode employment opportunity pisara laga PC ase gushe recruitment process de malpractice ba free fair transparent toile bishi important ase gushe unembra proxy participation aro cheating hwa laka opor de discourage hwa laka janashe aro idu laka actions toile society laka dignity aro integrity de undermine guri ase gushe union kambra concerned authorities kan ge law laka hisab de idu laka matters opor de sabule laka janai dishe union kambra guishe ki state government ba recruitment system de free fair aro transparent kuribole koshish kura ke hitu nisna laka situation ba do ele ekdam unfortunate ase gushe ami khan laka forefathers bra honesty sincerity aro integrity laka value opor de emphasize kuri gana aishe gushe idu do ele younger generation bra idu principle uphold kuribole bishi important ase gushe Keyo bra district level selections committee khan ge idu laka opor de phal bra saigana deserving aro qualified candidate khan ge hi select kuribole laka chanasha MLA nyeba konyak pra 14 Nagaland Legislative Assembly de Zugu Valley de Joy Ola laka opor de sawal utha ke jawab de gana Nagaland Chief Minister bra Legislative Assembly de janai de ase ki Zugu Valley de Joy Ola laka opor de kun ke bi identified kura nai aro itia dak kun bi itu laka connection ge arrest kurubole para nai koi ase tai gushe ki itia Zugu Valley de Joy Ola bra husho gurubo garne Western aro Southern Angami area laka volunteers kan Angami youth organizations kan loko de collaboration guri ganna konoma de mas 3 aro 10 laka macho de training bi luishi ase tai bra aro janai dishi ki department kan bra watch tower kan bi panabu ase aro firefighting equipments kan bi dibo ase aro rapid response team kan ge bi training dibo goshe aro early warning system kan kuribo ase aro manu jabole napara laka chaka de drone surveillance kan bi kuribo koina janai dishe chief minister ba aro 40 road project laga opor de legislative te janai dishe ke central government bra do hele national highway namana aki de rasta bra opor niche 30 meter do hele free of cost dibo laki goshe idu hoile hi central bra funding aibo goshe hoile bi Nagaland de do hele mati malik khan ge land compensation nidia karne mati dibule tayari nai goshe itu do hele bishi dangor problem face kuri ase goshe 40 road coordination committee khan bra second phase laga work order do hele March 31st noha akide issue guru bole ultimatum dia laga opor de chief minister bra goshe ge ultimatum do hele bishi surprise takishe goshe tai goshe ge rasta do hele hawa de noile akas de panabule laga nohoi goshe jeti mati thakishe gole hi government bra kam kora do hele suru kuribo goshe chief minister bra goshe ge government kan tribal ho kan logo de project kane mati dibule laga opor de urge kurishe goshe konba ba do hele mati free ba dishe hoile bi konba ba do hele compensation mangishe go ase tai bra janai dishe ki cabinet kan bra soft deputy commissioner logo de district planning and development board laga true bra tribal ho logo de meeting rakhibole la bi janai she goshe meeting de 40 road karne 30 meter doile free bra mati dibule laka opor de kotha kurubole laka decide kurubole laka janai dishe go ase idu laka jawab toile 3 moina bra dibule laka janai she goshe hoile bi itia da government ge eku feedback aha nai goshe chief minister bra ro goshe ke 40 road project banabo garne public aro mati malik laga support toile bishi lagi ase goigana janai dishe tai goshe ke Futi road project toile national highway ase koigana declare nokora takto hoile mati malik khan ge land compensation toile kidiabi dibo naparibo kosha. Advisor for School Education SCERT Dr. Kekir Hole Yomi Bra media de kotha kura dam de kushi ki Hindi teacher appoint kura doile misa mishi hoise aro kumba teachers khan doile Hindi buru bole bi nachane goigana kwa laka kotha opor de all Nagaland Hindi Teacher Union khan bra ta laka remark ke object kura laka janase press release de union bra advisor ge ta laka statement doile julde withdraw kuri bole laka demand grishe Union bra go ase ke advisor bra media de kotha kura time de Government of India noile National Council for Teacher Education bra recognize nokura laka private institution laka Hindi teachers kan appoint gurishi go ase kumba teachers kan doile Hindi buribole dakpi nachane gushe edu laka allocation ge Union bra object kura laka janase aro daikhan gushe ki Hindi teachers toile open advertise bra appoint gurishi gushe aro selection process toile written examination oral interview aro document verification kura bichite gurishi gushe daikhan bra janai dia se ki National Council for Teacher Education Act toile 1993 de enact gushe aro 2009 de amend gurishi gushe Holebi NCTE do hele Nagaland de 2017 de hi implement kurishi go ase Unembra aru janai de ase ke private Hindi institutions kando hoile Ministry of Human Resources Development Government of India laga under de recognize ase gushe Unembra go ase ki advisor laga remark to hele jolde withdraw guri lobole laga janai dishe taikhan laga statement opore khata bra janai de ase ajila khobor iman de rakhi di ase jidi kumba manu nutun sai dakile moram bra subscribe like aro share guri dibi goina request guri di ase